If you want to close your Agoda account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is properly deleted. This process will help you manage your online presence effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Agoda website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile section, often represented by your name or an icon. Step 3. Find Account Closure option. Look for an option related to account management or privacy settings. There should be a specific section for closing or deleting your account. Step 4. Follow closure instructions. Click on the Account Closure option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm account deletion. After following the instructions, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for any final confirmation from Agoda regarding the closure of your account. Once you have completed these steps, your Agoda account will be closed. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Agoda's customer support for assistance.